Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the physical connection. Check whether your Mac has HDMI, USB-C/Thunderbolt 3, or mini display port. Once done, pick the matching adapter. Use an active USB-C right arrow HDMI adapter if the TV is older because it converts signal reliably. Plug the HDMI cable into the adapter and the TV input you selected. Make sure the TV shows the correct HDMI label. Now wake your Mac and connect the adapter. Your Mac should start negotiating a video signal with the Jvc Tv. Once the cable is connected, open System Settings and go to Displays so your Mac can detect the Jvc set. Click Detect Displays if needed. Decide whether to mirror your Mac or extend the desktop, mirror for identical output, extend for extra workspace, and set the TV to a 16:9 resolution and appropriate refresh rate for smoother motion. Next, open Sound Preferences and choose the Jvc TV as the output device so audio plays through the TV speakers rather than the Mac. To finish, tweak your Jvc TV picture mode and turn off overscan or set zoom to 1 so your desktop edges aren't cropped. Adjust color temperature for accurate tones. Make sure your Mac has adequate power if you use clamshell mode and verify video playback in a media app. If the picture or sound fails, try swapping the HDMI cable or adapter, reconnecting, or using Detect Displays again. These steps usually resolve handshake or compatibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.